Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss how to run the PHP in NetBeans IDE using the AMP server. So here the first of all we have to run the PHP program. First of all we require the server. So for that here I have already installed the AMP server. So this is the icon for the AMP server. So to run this AMP server, click over to this. So as you click over to this, it will open this particular dialog box. So here you can see that it shows that it is running this particular Apache server and PHP 5.6 interpreter and the MySQL database. So here is showing these all three requirements are running successfully in the AMP server. So now the next step is we require the another thing to run this PHP program. So next one is the text. We require the text editor. So here I'm using the NetBeans text editor. So to run this, usually click over to this. This is the NetBeans IDE 8.2 icon. So as you click over to this particular window that representing the NetBeans IDE GUI graphical user interface will open. So here this screen here it has various features and settings that are listed here, like it shows the file, edit, view, navigate. So these are the different features and we can also get the different tool settings from here. And also it's contain the project, file, services, so different services with this NetBeans IDE. So to start with the first, how to write the first program for the PHP, for that you have to go to file and click over to the new project. So as you click over to the new project, it will request you to choose the project. So as you want to design the PHP program, for that you have to choose the PHP here, and here you have to choose the PHP application project and click over to the next. And the next part here you have to give the name to this particular program. So as this is a basic program, so here I'm giving the name to it as program PHP program 1. And the next part is the source folder. So here you have to set the source folder. So the particular source folder that is selected here over here is not used. So here you have to change the source folder. For that you have to go to browse, and from here you have to select the source folder. So you have to save these different programs in the AMP server. So to save these source folders to the AMP server, for that you have to go to the program file where you have installed your AMP server. So I have installed the AMPs in the program files, and here there is a AMPs folder. So here you have to check the particular folder like this. Here I'm saving these particular programs in different programs in this folder. So select this and click over to open. Now you have to mention the name of the program here. So right here / and now you have to give the name of this program. So copy the name of this program and now paste it over here. So in this way we can change the source folder from the earlier one to this one. So here we are saving these particular programs in the AMP server. The next one is showing the PHP version. So you have to make it like remain it like this, PHP 7.0, and the default encoding it also may same here. Next, go to the next part, click over next, and the next is here it specify the run configuration. So here you have to choose how you want to run this particular program, that you want the remote website, script, or the PHP built-in web server. We we will select this local website. So we will use the local website to run these particular programs. So here it sets the localhost PHP program 1 as the project URL. Go to the next. After that, it will ask for you to choose the PHP framework. So as this is the basic programs, we are designing the basic program, so there is no need to select any of the PHP frameworks. Click over to the next, and here you also not have to choose any of the composer, so click over to the finish. So here it's creating the index files. So as you will click over to the finish, it will show this particular code over here. I am deleting this comment part. So here you can see that it's showing the HTML code, and in between HTML code the PHP code is embedded here. So this particular script is showing the PHP code. So PHP code is always written by using the syntax. So it will start with the less than sign, then question mark, and then you have to write the PHP, and after that it will end up with the question mark and the greater than sign, and the particular code that is to use with the PHP will be right in between this syntax. The particular code will be put here in this particular syntax, the opening and the ending part of this PHP syntax. So these particular like HTML, the header, the body parts, so these are all the tags are related to the HTML language. Coming to the next part, so these are like these projects. So as you click over to the project, it will show this particular project that you have designed, and as you will open this, it will show you the source file and the include path, and as you will open the source file, it will show you the particular index.php file that you have written over here. So here the project will show the whole information about the particular program. It also provide the different the files which we have used in the PHP, like index.php and these particular different files. And it also offers the different kind of services that you want to add the database services to it, or you want to add the web services, server services, or if you are extracting some of the cloud information, so you can also add the cloud services. So these are different services that we can use with this PHP program, and it also gives the navigator here. So these are the different services that are provided by the NetBeans IDE to code the PHP language. So this is how we can run the PHP in NetBeans by using the AMP server. Thank you.